Are you planning to take the Master Plumber Licensure examination? Then, this is for you. Welcome to Master Plumber Review and Refresher. Answer the following set of questions carefully. Without further ado, let's start.
Question number 1. A physical separation that may be a low inlet into the indirect waste receptor from the fixtures, appliances, or devices indirectly connected. Letter A, clarifier. Letter B, fixture trap. Letter C, air brake. Letter D, air gap. The answer is letter C, air brake. Question number 2. The clear space in front of any water closet or bidet shall not be less than blank. Letter A, 12 inches. Letter B, 15 inches. Letter C, 24 inches. Letter D, 30 inches. The answer is letter C, 24 inches. Question number 3. The maximum trap loading for a 3-inch trap is blank. Letter A, 1 unit. Letter B, 3 units. Letter C, 4 units. Letter D, 6 units. The answer is letter D, 6 units. Question number 4. Type of water closet prescribed for public toilet. Letter A, circular bowl type. Letter B, elongated bowl type. Letter C, oval bowl type. Letter D, rectangular bowl type. The answer is letter B, elongated bowl type. Question number 5. For assembly places for public use, how many urinals are required if the capacity is 115 males? Letter A, 1. Letter B, 2. Letter C, 3. Letter D, 4. The answer is letter B, 2. Question number 6. A plumbing fixture used for washing the middle part of the body, especially the genitals. Letter A, lavatory. Letter B, hose bib. Letter C, water closet. Letter D, bidet. The answer is letter D, bidet.
Question number 7. It is a loss of trap seal due to unequal atmospheric pressure condition and due to rapid flows of water through the trap. Letter A, wind effect. Letter B, capillary action. Letter C, back pressure. Letter D, siphonage. The answer is letter D, siphonage. Question number 8. How do you measure the rainfall intensity? Letter A, inch per hour. Letter B, inch per second. Letter C, inch per minute. Letter D, inch per year. The answer is letter A, inch per hour. Question number 9. The minimum distance of water supply well to septic tank. Letter A, 6 meters. Letter B, 30.5 meters. Letter C, 15.2 meters. Letter D, 45.7 meters. The answer is letter C, 15.2 meters. Question number 10. According to PNSDW, what is the recommended pH range of drinking water? Letter A, 0 to 7. Letter B, 6 to 8. Letter C, 7 to 14. Letter D, 5 to 9. The answer is Letter B, 6 to 8. Question number 11. The commercial length of GI pipe. Letter A, 3 meters. Letter B, 4 meters. Letter C, 6 meters. Letter D, 12 meters. The answer is letter C, 6 meters. Question number 12. Size of cleanout for a 4-inch diameter pipe. Letter A, 1.5 inches. Letter B, 2.5 inches. Letter C, 3.5 inches. Letter D, 4 inches. The answer is letter C, 3.5 inches. Question number 13. Which of the following is not part of the wet pipe sprinkler system? Letter A, water motor alarm. Letter B, deluge valve. Letter C, alarm check valve. Letter D, sprinkler. The answer is letter B, deluge valve. Question number 14. Which is able to operate, tend or maintain, or be in charge of the operation, tending, or maintenance of any mechanical works, projects, plant of 1,500 kilowatts according to RA 8495. Letter A, CPM only. Letter B, ME and CPM. Letter C, ME and PME. Letter D, PME only. The answer is letter C, ME and PME. ME stands for Mechanical Engineer and PME stands for Professional Mechanical Engineer. Question number 15. What is the hanger rod size that will support a pipe of 5-inch diameter according to UPC 2015? Letter A, 3/8 inch. Letter B, ½ inch. Letter C, 5/8 inch. Letter D, 1 inch. The answer is letter B, ½ inch. Question number 16. This is sometimes referred to as loop vent. Letter A, looped vent. Letter B, venting loop. Letter C, relief vent. Letter D, stack vent. The answer is letter B, venting loop. Question number 17. A or in blank serves 3 to 5 years as a helper to the journeyman. Letter A, apprentice plumber. Letter B, master plumber. Letter C, certified backflow assembly tester. Letter D, pipeline welder. The answer is letter A, apprentice plumber. Question number 18. Which of the following is not used for reclaimed water? Letter A, irrigation. Letter B, flushing. Letter C, watering of plants. Letter D, none of these. The answer is letter D, none of these because all of these are used for reclaimed water. Question number 19. Where is the level 1 type of water service referred to? Letter A, individual shallow well hand pump installation. Letter B, individual house connection. Letter C, public faucets. Letter D, all of these. The answer is letter A, individual shallow well hand pump installation. Question number 20. It detects elements in either liquid or solid samples through the application of characteristic wavelengths of electromagnetic radiation from a light source. Letter A, photoionization detector. Letter B, atomic absorption spectrometry. Letter C, enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay. Letter D, electrolytic conductivity detector. The answer is letter B, atomic absorption spectrometry. Question number 21. TDS in drinking water originates from natural sources, sewage, urban runoff and industrial wastewater. TDS stands for blank. Letter A, total dissolved solids. Letter B, total discharge solids. Letter C, total discharge sewer. Letter D, total dissolved salts. The answer is letter A, total dissolved solids. Question number 22. A measure of inertia forces to viscous forces, which sometimes describe whether it is turbulent or laminar flow. Letter A, Froude number. Letter B, Reynolds number. Letter C, Andrade's equation. Letter D, Sutherland's constant. The answer is letter B, Reynolds number. Question number 23. How do you connect the pump in series? Letter A, different GPM. Letter B, same GPM. Letter C, same horsepower. Letter D, different pressure capacity. The answer is letter B, same GPM. Question number 24. If a septic tank has a compartment that exceeds 3.7 meters in length, what should be the requirement? Letter A, additional inlet pipe at baffle wall. Letter B, increase the baffle wall height. Letter C, increase the size of the leaching chamber. Letter D, additional manhole. The answer is letter D, additional manhole. Question number 25. The minimum cold fixture supply diameter for a bidet. Letter A, 10 millimeters. Letter B, 13 millimeters. Letter C, 19 millimeters. Letter D, 25 millimeters. The answer is letter B, 13 millimeters.
And that's all for this set. Now, put your score in the comment section. If you find this video interesting and informative, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Thank you and good luck future master plumbers.